Hello soulmates, let's draft a full basic block. This will be the pattern drafting of this particular top you are seeing. In the next video, we'll be cutting and sewing this reversible top. So let's get started.
Hi soulmates, let's draft a full basic block. The first thing you would do is to lay your paper on a flat surface. Then measure your top length from the shoulder to the hip. The one with length was half basic block before. We measure from our shoulder to the waist, but this time around is it from your shoulder to your hip because it is a full basic block. Remember, we drew a box, so that's exactly what we'll do for this too. And for the horizontal measurement, we use the biggest part of our body, which is the hip. You know, this is a full basic block, like I said, and the biggest part of our body is the hip. But if your bust is the biggest part of your body, you should use your bust. That's what I mean. Hip measurement divided by 2 plus 4. So we'll use this measurement to create a box, and you locate the middle of the box and divide the box into 2. The next thing to do is to place your basic bodice on this, secure it with a tape, and trace it out with a tracing wheel. We are doing this because it is necessary to work smart. You can redraft your basic bodice if you don't have a tracing wheel. Don't forget to measure your zipper allowance, 1 inch, remember? Measure it down and connect with a tape ruler. Position the previously drafted half basic bodice on the paper within the rectangular box. Don't forget to secure it well with a tape and trace it out. After tracing, you have the outline of your basic bodice, although it may not be visible to you because of a camera. So let's trace this out with our pen and ruler. And here we have it. So the next thing is to measure our hip length. So our hip length is usually 7 or 8. So for me, I'll use 8. So we'll do that for both the front pattern and the back pattern. We'll measure 8 on the front pattern, 8 on the back pattern, and you roll it. Note that my measurement, my front is 17, while my back is 15. The difference between the front and the back is 2 inches. So after doing that, we measure the hip circumference, hip divided by 4 plus 2, and you connect with your curve ruler. So the next thing is to locate our dart. So you measure 6 inches down from the existing dart. Measure the bust span and connect it to make a dart. Repeat the same process for the back pattern also. So let's dive into back tightening. To achieve a perfect back without zip bulge, you will remove 0.5 inch from the half length on the back. You will slantly connect it to the neck, as you can see, and you will connect the lower part to the hip length. Don't forget to label your pattern. And that is it. You have your full basic block. I hope you enjoyed the class. So let's cut our pattern. Don't forget to cut along the lines. It is important. I'll show you how to close the side dart when learning how to make the top. Remember, practice make perfect. Go get your paper now and learn how to draft both half basic bodies and full basic bodies. Follow each steps. You will definitely get it. The next class will be learning how to draft a basic sleeves. I can't wait. Until then, my name is Falashade and I would love to see you grow. See you in my next class. Bye.
Hello soulmates. Before we cut our pattern on our fabric, let's talk about underbust tightening. If you close your side dart without opening another dart, your bust will protrude, and that is how it should be. So to achieve a perfect fit, we have to perform underbust tightening. So to do that, you measure your underbust height. Rule a line to demarcate it. On the underbust, measure 0.5 from the bust span line on both sides. And connect the dart leg on the waist to the underbust. After connecting that, connect it to the bust point as shown. Now let's move to the hip. Go up by 2 inches from the hip side seam and connect it with a curve ruler to the front. Do the same for the hip of the back pattern as well. But for the back pattern, it doesn't need underbust tightening. And that's all for this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for other designers to see. And stay tuned for the cutting and the making of this reversible top. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'll be right there. Okay, bye.